good morning, it's Jill. Today in creating beautiful food, I'm taking colorful fruit and I'm going to make some mini fruit cakes. You'll be amazed how cute they turn out, but also it's a dessert with natural sugar. So for those who are concerned about how much sugar they're intaking but want a delicious, yummy dessert, this is it. So let's get started. First, we're going to cut our pineapple and get the circle that we need to make our fruit dessert. So I'm just finishing up cutting my watermelon. You want to cut half the watermelon and cut around the rind. Do make sure that, one, that you have a sharp knife. Do not let kids do this. Rinds can be very tough, and you want to make sure that it's with an adult using a knife. I always keep a towel very close by because when cutting fruit, there's so much water and moisture in it. You always want to make sure that your hands are dry so that your knife never slips. Okay, now that I have that there, I'm going to turn it upside down and I'm going to place this on top to get my circle. And I'm going to cut around this to make the perfect shape. Now that you have your two cylinders of your pineapple and your watermelon, you're just going to cut slices, like as if you were going to cut slices of bread. We're going to stack these alternating. So here you can see how beautiful the stacking of the watermelon and the pineapple. I had a heart cookie cutter and I went ahead and made some hearts for the top. You don't have to do that. And now I'm going to add my summer fruit with some kebab sticks to give it even some more beauty to this beautiful dessert. So I'm just finishing up, just layering my strawberries, grapes. You could use cut up peaches, cut up plums, more cut up pineapple. The sky's the limit. Just use whatever fruit that's in season and just make it really, really beautiful. Now, I know this one big dessert is probably too much for one person, so since it does look like a decorated cake, then you just go ahead and cut it into slices after you've presented it at the table. I think they turned out really, really pretty and fun.